do something meaner to me when I'm older.
He'd probably still dump her out.
You mean something like this? Who did that to you? Who did that?
Sheffield, being a jerk to 2 generations. Now don't look at Sarah. Sarah wants to get dumped now.
Do you want to sit in it again? Like that? Do you like that? That's the way Gigi likes to sit.
Here comes Sarah getting a dump.
Hey, Allie, watch this. Sarah got dumped, right? Do you want to get dumped?
No.
You don't?
I want to get
Spin you?
Can you dump Sarah?
Dunk Sarah?
A girl after my own heart.
I dunk you.
When Adam's swimming, she'll be saying, dunk you, Adam.
Was that funny, Ellie?
Huh? Don't dunk me? Why not? You want me to dunk Sarah then? Okay, watch.